Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about the benefits of learning computers. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Benefits of learning computers. Learning computers offers a wide range of benefits that can improve one's personal and professional life. Some of the key benefits include: number 1, career opportunities. In today's digital age, knowledge of computers and technology is essential for most jobs. Learning computer skills can help one qualify for a wide range of careers in fields such as IT, graphics design, engineering, and data analysis. Number 2, communication and connectivity. Computers and the internet have made it easier than ever to communicate and connect with people around the world. By learning computers, one can use tools like email, social media, and video conferencing to stay in touch with friends, family, and colleagues. Number 3, increased productivity. Computers can help automate and streamline tasks, allows one to work more efficiently. With the right skills and tools, one can use computers to create and manage documents, track projects, and stay organized. Number 4, access to information. The internet provides a vast repository of information on nearly any topic. By learning computers, one can access this information and use it to expand their knowledge, research topics of interest, and stay informed about current events. Number 5, creativity. Computers offers a wide range of tools and software for creative expression, such as graphics design, music composition, and video editing. By learning these tools, one can express themselves in new and exciting ways. Overall, learning computers can be a valuable skill that offers numerous benefits, both personal and professional contexts. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about the benefits of learning computers. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.